Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. My name is Paola, and well, today I wanted to come on here and make a video on a makeup look that's very wearable for those people that don't like artsy or super dramatic makeup. This is a very wearable Valentine's Day look. I like that it has some shimmer in it without being too much. And with that being said, if you're interested in knowing how I got this particular makeup look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so for today's tutorial, I'm going to use two different eyeshadow palettes. I always use more than one, which is kind of annoying, I'm sorry. But I'm going to be grabbing the Naked Heat palette and this Too Faced Christmas Edition palette. I'm not sure if you can still get this palette, but I'm sorry, I'm gonna use it. So I use this cream colored shade to set my eyelids, and I'm gonna go in with this brown right here, like a taupey brown, to add that as my transition color. For this, I'm using windshield wiper motions, which is just going back and forth and back and forth in the crease area to better distribute the color. Okay, now with this Morphe M441 brush, I'm gonna grab this pink shade from the palette to start adding the pinky shadows to the look, focusing mostly on the crease of the eyelid. For this step, I'm using more small circular motions to add the shade to make sure that it's more focused inside of the crease and not anywhere else. Now going into the other palette, I'm going to grab the shade Heat Devil, this shade right here, with a Morphe M139 brush. I'm gonna focus this shade mainly on the outside of my eyelid, focusing it still in the crease area, but making sure to pack it on the outside and then drag it inwards. Grabbing that brush that we used to add the pink, I'm going to try to blend the two colors together. I'm also using this time to drag the color outwards so that it's a nice blend outside of the eyeshadow look. Also, let's ignore my friend here. I tried to cover it up with concealer, but he just wanted to make an appearance in today's video, and I want to ignore him. Maybe if we ignore him, he'll go away. Now grabbing a small M321 brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Fuego, which is this shade right here. Focusing that on the outer V, which I do quite often. Okay, once I get it the way I would like it, I'm gonna grab the shade Scorched, which is this really pretty shimmery pinky mauve color. With my finger, I'm gonna add that to the inner part of my lid. With the shade Ashes, which is this dark purplish shade, and grabbing a very minimal amount just to darken up that outer little piece and smoke it out a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and I'll get back to you guys to do the bottom lash line. All right, now that the rest of my makeup has been done, I'm gonna grab this little tiny smudger brush. I think that's what they call it. I don't know. But I'm gonna grab the pinky shade that we used kind of as a transition color, and I'm gonna put that underneath my lash line. Now grabbing the shade En Fuego, which is this one, this maroonish shade, I'm gonna add that to, focusing it mostly on the outer half of that lower lash line. I'm also just gonna drag that color a little bit inwards to smoke out the bottom lash line. And there we go. I'm going to apply mascara off camera and I'll be back for lips. So I decided that the shimmer was not as pigmented as I wanted, so I'm gonna grab a little flat brush, wet it, go in with that shade and pack it on. Went ahead and did my mascara off camera and just kind of touched up my face. Now I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Dusty Rose liquid lipstick and add that to my lips. Now on top of that, I'm gonna use the MAC liquid lipstick in Reverence. And I'm adding this shade just to the center of the mouth. Okay, now I do think that this lip is a little too pinky for the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in with a NYX lip pencil in Nude Truffle and kind of line the outside of my lips to make it a little more brownish orangey vibe. I don't know. I'm gonna use a gloss. So I'm going in with, say this one is so old, but it's a Lancome gloss. I don't know what it's called. I've had it forever. I also forgot to add some highlight, so I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Candlelight Glow and using this pinky shade. For the final touch, I'm gonna grab the shade Ounce, which is this shimmery white shade from the Naked palette and add that to the inner corner. And there you have it, folks. After 300 lip products on my lips and all the other explanation, this is what I came up with. I think that it's a very easy to do Valentine's Day look, but also very wearable, so you could wear it wherever you'd like. I hope that you guys enjoyed this simple Valentine's Day look, and well, I hope that you try it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a comment down below or like this video. Make sure to subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And with that being said, I hope to see you guys in my next video.